Hello, we are Anonymous. We come to you with the message of revolution, or more so evolution. We have all witnessed the United States uprising with Occupy Wall Street venting their frustration with politicians, banks, and corporations. While we do agree with their message, their tactics of civil disobedience has only invoked violence with police officers around the country, which has caused an extreme distraction for the Occupy movement. With censorship bills being passed and bills that attempt to rid us of our freedoms that this country was founded upon, the time has now come to act. We have devised a plan to bring forth the final act of the evolution. This act, however, will only be as real as the people of the world decide it to be. The United States government is fully aware of this plan and has been preparing for it with the Cybersecurity Act of 2012. The United States government foresees a plan that will destroy the system, and now they fear us. You say you want a revolution, and now the time has arrived. We now call upon the top activists, coders, crypto-anarchists, cypherpunks and non-violent civil rights activists and internet censorship and freedom of speech activists everywhere to collaborate to jointly brainstorm ideas to develop Tyler. Tyler is a massively distributed and decentralized Wikipedia-style P2P cypherspace structure impregnable to censorship. Tyler will improve where WikiLeaks could not. In other words, Tyler will be a WikiLeaks on steroids. We not only call upon the people of the United States but the people of the world to gather evidence of illegality, corruption and fraud and upload it to Tyler from the 12th of December 2012 to the 21st of December 2012. On the 5th of November, Tyler will be out of beta testing. To construct Tyler and leak it all is only one phase of Project Mayhem 2012. Remember, there is no certainty, only opportunity. You are Anonymous. You are Project Mayhem 2012. Together we are Legion. To the global and financial leaders of the world, expect us.